What's going on, guys? Corey Brothers here for another video. And of course, you can tell by the title, we just broke 413,000 miles on the E55. It's been a while because the weather's been really bad and we haven't been driving it.
Yeah, not too much. You're basically just driving it here and there when the weather is nice. But now that spring's right around the corner, we're gonna be putting all kinds of miles on this car.
Our goal is to try to get like over 420,000 by the end of this year. So hopefully we can, and nothing serious breaks. But
who knows?
At the end of the week, we're actually taking the car to get serviced. We're doing what are we doing? Oil change.
Oil change, coolant flush, brake fluid flush.
Yeah.
We're gonna have the supercharger oil. Have them check on that, check the VMI, see if it's been done anytime recently. But I don't know if we're gonna do that or not. We'll see.
We'll ask. We have no idea. It's not on record. But if anyone wants to know, we do have something wrong with E55. It literally just happened at 413,000 miles, and I'll let Matt explain it.
We came up with a new problem here. We noticed when we've been driving the car, if we use the e-brake after we take it off and we drive around, like the rear brakes are they're heat up as if we didn't actually take the e-brake off.
I think the thing's not releasing it properly.
Yeah, like it feels like once we pull the e-brake off, it feels like it's off, the car moves, but we notice after you drive for about like 10 to 15 minutes, the car starts to shudder real bad and the rear brakes get hot. So we're wondering if maybe there's a cable or something or a mechanism that's just not working properly.
I don't know.
We don't really know. We probably should have the dealer look at that. I just thought about that.
Probably. Well, I looked it up and I don't know, there could be a lot of things, but like Matt said, whenever you release, you guys know on the W211s, there's that release on the left side of the steering wheel. If you release it, and you can tell when you release the emergency brake, roll back or it just comes off, the light's gone. Well, the couple times that this has happened, either the lights come off, but the brakes are still on. So we're thinking maybe that release is not working properly, or something's getting stuck. But we were coming home the other day, we were on the highway, and car drove fine. All of a sudden, 5 minutes onto the highway, the car was shaking extremely bad. I mean, it was vibrating to the point where we thought the windows were gonna break. So we had to pull over and basically had to take it easy and get the car home. But then after that, it was fine. We put the emergency brake back on and off a couple times and it stopped. So
yeah, basically what happened is, like Nick said, we pulled over and then I was looking at the car. We were actually in separate cars, and I put the brake all the way on as far as I can get it on, and then pulled it off. And drove it home and it drove fine. So we think something has to do with that cable or something.
Yeah. So right now we're not using that emergency brake. We're just parking the car on flat surfaces.
Yeah, we're trying not to use it because we're a little worried that the brakes are gonna get stuck again and they're gonna reheat and whatnot. But
it's just that emergency brake.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck's going on. So if anybody's had a problem similar to that, let us know in the comments. We'd appreciate it.
Yeah.
Help us out.
That's pretty much right now. That's the big problem we got to get fixed. Like I said, car's going in for service, so we might take it in and they tell us we need a whole new transmission engine again. So I don't know, but what else coming?
Yeah, we'll take it in. We'll be like, hey, the car's shut. They'll be like, oh, we figured out your headlights. No, no, it ain't.
What else? Oh, pretty soon we're gonna need new rear tires. Yeah. If you guys know, we got these tires. They're Lexanis. They were like $90 for each rear tire and $73 for the front. The front are perfect. The back, we got like 8,000 miles on them.
Well, the front we changed like a little bit after.
But the back's got like 8,000 miles on them.
8,000 miles or so. We should be able to get another. I bet you we'll probably get maybe 2 more out if we're lucky.
We're trying to milk it.
Yeah, we're trying to milk it, but Nick likes to drive it aggressive, so
aggressively sometimes. No, but it's funny though that the passenger side tire is a little bit more worn out than the driver's side. But all right, back to regular programming. Our sister came home and opened up the garage, a little interruption. But like I was saying is we had the car aligned when we got the new tires in the rear, and they said that these AMGs are really hard to align. I don't know if it's different with Mercedes or the shop we go to. That's what they're known for. They're really good at what they do. Yeah. The guys that own the shop race Porsches, so I mean, I guess they know what they're talking about. But so I don't know. It might just be that tires wear out easy. I don't know. I mean, like I said, they were $93 for rear tires. So
I think most people we talk to with AMGs like this E55, SL55s, they always say you should get about 10 to 12,000 miles per set, on the rear.
We're trying to milk it.
8,000 miles. That's a little premature, I would say. But I don't know, they're cheap tires. We might be able to milk it and get 10. If we can get 10, I'll be happy.
And we're not really doing any massive burn. We've never done burnouts in this car. Every once in a while, we'll take off at a red light or something, but nothing too serious. Not like we're breaking loose the tires. Yeah, I mean, we're rocking 285s in the rear. I know the guys that have the stock tires are 265s, and those are a little more tail happy. But ours hookup
still tail happy.
Still tail happy, but it's a little bit better than the stock. So either way, once we change those, if we can milk it, and we will. But if not, we'll let you guys know, and then we'll make a video on how those tires were in general, because we really like them.
Yeah, so far they're good.
But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little E55 update video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us a like, share it. The usual. Follow us on Instagram at the 40 Brothers, and watch some of our other videos. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.